Welcome back to the kitchen table. Today on the kitchen table, which is of course the table tennis table, is a drone from a company that we've not heard of from a long time, and that is Yuneec. The Mantis Q is their new foldable travel drone. But what's it about? Wow, backpacking, it says in the PR guff, then the Mantis Q is what you need. 33 minutes flight time, which sounds extraordinary. It has to be said, from the image you can see on screen now, it is a bit Mavic Airy, but interestingly, it's voice controlled. Now, we haven't actually seen a model, so I can't discuss what voice control there is for it, but Yuneec claim it's a foldable drone. Well, that's a tick, yeah, that's cool. Voice control, never heard of that on any drone whatsoever, so that's certainly new. 72 kilometers per hour in sport mode. Includes the controller, the usual visual tracking tricks that drones do these days. 13 megapixel camera, obviously all the return to home features, but also this 33-minute flight time. We didn't know anything about this. There normally is a leak here and there. But incredibly, it seems that this dropped on the world without anybody knowing. Now, is this going to have effect on DJI with their Mavic 2s, the Zoom, the Pro? Is that going to have any effect on them? I certainly don't think quality-wise it is. 13 megapixel is a bit old hat, if I have to say. However, the fact that it's a folding drone, stabilised on 3-axis, it does say it's electronically stabilised, as well as live stabilisation. So, could we see an interesting mix between the two? It also tilts its camera 20 degrees upwards and 90 degrees downwards during flight. It certainly looks a mean beast, and it has all the usual unique features such as journey mode, point of interest, and return home. But what do you think? I mean, is this a game changer? Is it something new? Comments below would be fine. The Yuneec Mantis Q. Hopefully we'll get our hands on one soon and we can tell you exactly what it's like. But looks to be quite good competition for that beast just there. Give us your thoughts, like I say, down below. That's for your comments, and we'll have another drone dropping soon on the kitchen table.